What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today we're gonna be going surfing. Hopefully I'll get to join everybody because it's under the condition that I can find a surfboard at the place that we're at right now. We're about to take this boat and drive out the bay to a sick little wave where hopefully there won't be anyone but us there. But first I need to make sure I can get a board. Sick, dude. Oh, dude, that's fine.
Oh, bro, this is nice, bro.
Yeah, let's...
Fishtail. You got the keeper.
Alright, we're in luck. Thank God for that. I thought I was going to be hanging out on a boat when the surf is firing. Any board is a beautiful board right now. Sick. We got it.
After arriving at the first spot, it seemed a bit smaller than was forecast, so we decided to check out some of the other breaks, but ultimately ended up heading back to where we began.
Well, that was fucking epic. The swells got better. I'm gonna take a little sip of water, but now, unfortunately, the GoPro. We just knocked down some coconuts, and Guillo is cleaning up some
Carambola, star fruit. Kami tu la corta.
Nice.
Unfortunately, the time has come for me to leave Puerto Rico and go back to Europe. But what that means is I leave in like 2 hours and I have all of that plus more to pack into 2 bags. So best get to it. Let's just do one of those easy clap transitions. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
That wasn't cheesy at all. One thing I wanted to take care of is my FPV drone batteries. So I'm going to try and deplete them. So we're gonna rip this park apart. I feel sorry for all the people that are just looking for a nice early morning jog. But then again, this is Puerto Rico and they always listen to crazy music in the morning anyway. So that was the first time flying the DJI FPV in like months after I got the Avata, and I have to say it's a completely different flying experience. I'm keeping this drone. It's way more responsive, it feels just so much smoother, and it feels like it has a lot more power to get you out of all sorts of different crazy situations. I really did not think that I would feel that way after flying this Avata. Fuck, it's so much fun. Okay, I'm all packed. Got my backpack with 2 big packs. My Pelican case. And I am off to the airport. Let's go to the airport. Sad to say goodbye to little sausage dog Dee. Oh well, on to the next journey. Now comes the challenging part. I have to carry all these bags without a trolley to get through security. See if they pull me for those batteries, I guarantee. I just remembered I have a whole Yeti full of water. Shit. I need to piss like a racehorse. Why is airport food so terrible in America? This thing was $11. Because that flight was late, I may end up missing my next flight to Europe. It's boarding now, and I need to get to the other side of the Atlanta airport. Holy shit, nothing ever goes smoothly.
Okay, please hold on. This train is departing.
The problem is, my bags might not make it. And there's a lot of valuable shit in there. Alright, I can see it in the distance. I think we're good, I see a queue. Made it to Amsterdam. I didn't get much sleep last night on the plane. I normally sleep really well, but that one was just, I don't know. But it's 10 AM, so I see a nap in my future.